Another woman goes missing, this time in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 23-year-old Laverne Thomas of Browns Hall, St. Catherine has been missing since Sunday, August the 7th. She is of dark complexion, slim built and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Browns Hall police are that Thomas was last seen at home at around 2:25 p.m. wearing a black dress and a pair of blue slippers. Efforts made to contact her have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Laverne Thomas is being asked to contact the Browns Hall Police at 876-602-2568, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.